barbershop also have. Only 100 peso. They prepare for bridge. Column for bridge. That's why they close this road close. But you can walk to Candy Palace to this road. Also to Prime Ebje Hotel. Better only daytime. Daytime you can walk. Nighttime it's not safety. Because it's dark here. This gate closed from 8 to 8. 8 to 8. Okay.